Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. As you can see, we just pulled up to the spot. We are at Dollar General, and I am about to take you guys along with me while I get into my 5 off of 25 deals for today. I have some key items that I want to pick up today, but I don't know like really what I'm going to do. So we're just going to figure it out based on what they have available in the store and our coupons. I know I want to get some Dove today for sure. I may do the Glad trash bag deal. We'll see. I definitely want some Tide. We're going to pick up some good deals, and we're going to keep it low cost because I am not trying to pay too much money out of pocket. We'll probably do 2 stores today and do a few transactions. So let's go in here and get started. Okay, you guys. So the first thing we're going to grab is one of the big Simply Soul razors. And I actually put a couple of these in my cart already. But these are $3.30. Y'all already know the deal. We got that $4 digital. That's going to make these babies free plus 70 cents in overage. Next up, I'm going to grab one of these double packs of toothbrushes. So these are $3 and we're going to use our $2 digital, making these only $1. So now we're in the $1 aisle, and I'm going to do this Glad bags deal. We're going to start off by getting some freezer bags, and we're going to get some trash bags as well. I'm going to grab 3 packs of these $1 freezer bags. In the $1 aisle, we're not going to use any coupons on these, but it's still going to work out, but I need to stock up on these. So 3 boxes of these are going to be the first items in our Glad deal. And then the next item we're going to grab to finish off our Glad deal is going to be one of the $7 trash bags. So we're going to grab one of these, and I'm going to use my $2 digital coupon. And a quick breakdown on this deal before our 5 off of 25 is factored in. So this is $7. These are $1 a piece. That's going to give us $10 in Glad. Then we're going to save $2 instantly, which is going to bring our total for all 4 items down to just $8. But then I also have a $2 digital coupon on this product, which is going to make it $6 for all 4 items. Next item we're grabbing, I was so excited to find an exclusive coupon on my account for, is Essential Oils Concentrated Detergent. So this is $3.95, but as I mentioned, I have a $2 digital coupon on this, which will bring it down to just $1.95. Now I'm going to grab a Tide Simply Pod. So these are $2.95. I am going to use our $2 digital coupon, making these just 95 cents. Now I'm going to grab a couple of these Dawn Platinum Foams. So these are just $1.85 after the $1 digital coupon. So they're $2.85. We're going to use 2 of the $1 coupons. I have 2 of them on my account. So we're going to grab a couple of these babies today because I don't think I have any of these in my stockpile. All right, you guys, so this is our first deal, and it's actually all digital, which I'm surprised about. I didn't know if I was going to be able to come up with something good in all digital, but the digitals are working right for this deal. So our total for all of these items before our digital coupons are applied or any instant savings is actually $28.90. But because we're doing this Glad bags deal where you save $2 instantly when you spend $10, we should save $2 instantly, bringing our subtotal down to $26.90, which still qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 store digital coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of the other digital coupons. We're going to use the $2 digital for the gain. We are going to use the $2 digital for the trash bags, no digital for the quart bags. We're going to use our $2 digital for the toothbrushes. We're going to use 2 $1 digitals for the Dawn. We're going to use the $2 digital coupon for the Tide Simply Pods, and we're also going to use our $4 digital coupon for the big Simply Soleil razors. So that should bring our subtotal down to just $7.90 after all of those digital coupons are applied. So not a bad deal for 10 items. That makes them like 79 cents each. So let's go up to the register and check out. All right, you guys, so this all digital situation worked out real nice for our first transaction. Let me show you my receipt to show you how everything broke down. So this was a super easy deal. There's our Glad trash bag, $7, $2 digital. Our 3 Glad freezer bags, those were $1 a piece. We used no digital coupons on those, but we got our instant savings. And then there is our Tide Simply Pods, $2.95, $2 digital. Our 2 Dawn Direct Foams, those were $2.85 with $1 digital coupons. And then we had our Gain Essential Oils, that was $3.95 with the $2 $2 digital, and then our big Simply Soleil razors, $3.30 with the $4 digital, and of course I missed our oral indicator toothbrush pack. That was $3 with the $2 digital. So our subtotal came up to $7.90. We had a total savings of $21 for those 10 items. So that was like paying 79 cents per item. And when you're talking about trash bags and Gain and Dawn, 79 cents per item is a steal. So let's go on to store number 2. All right, so now we're in store number 2. The first thing I'm going to grab is a couple of these Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauces. I'm not going to use any coupons, even though we do have some coupons. I think we have $1 off 3, but they are beeping here, so I'm not even going to bother. I'm just going to grab 2 of these, buy one, get one free. So 2 of them will cost me $2. Now I'm going to grab some Tide liquid laundry detergent. These are $4.95 everyday price, but we have a $2 digital coupon and we have a $2 paper coupon and the May P&G. All right, you guys, so this is actually going to be my second and third transaction. I am just going to duplicate the same transaction twice, and I know that this is kind of random throwing this barbecue sauce in here, but y'all, you know, it's Memorial Day. We got to get our barbecue on. So this is everything that we're going to grab, and we're going to do this times 2. This is not a newbie deal right here. The last deal we just did, all digital, super easy. This one is a deal where you have to watch what you're doing, and I'm going to tell you why. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab some Dove. So you guys remember from my video earlier in the week, I told you guys about the Dove deal. The Dove is spend 8, save 2 on an instant savings promotion. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to double that instant savings, and I'm going to get $16 worth of Dove instead of $8. So I should save a total of $4 at the register instead of $2. So I have 2 of the Dove body washes. Those are $6 a piece, and then 2 of the Dove deodorants. And I'm going to use different digital coupons. I mean, not digital coupons, internet printable coupons than the ones I used before. So today I'm going to use, I have a $3 off of 2 from the Dove email list, and then I also have a $3 off of 2 for the body wash. So 2 $3 off of 2 coupons I'll use on each set of this to take a total of $6 off, which is going to be some awesome savings in combination with that instant savings deal. Then I'm grabbing 2 Tides. So for one of the Tides, I'm going to use a digital coupon. That is the Tide Simply. Because I want my digital coupon to attach first, I need to make sure that that Tide Simply is actually scanned first, because I don't want that $2 digital coupon to attach to this red Tide. I want it to attach to the yellow Tide, making it 95 cents. So I'll have her scan that one first, and then I'll use a paper coupon for $2 off on the second bottle. For the Sweet Baby Ray's, those are buy one, get one free. I'm not going to use any coupons, but those will be $2 for 2 or $1 a piece, which is a great price. And then I'm going to get the big Simply Soleil razors, and both of my transactions giving me a nice little overage of 70 cents to help reduce the out-of-pocket for this deal. So my total for this transaction before any instant savings are applied is $31.70. So I'm going to have instant savings from the Sweet Baby Ray's. I'll save $2 in instant savings for the Dove. I'll save another $4, bringing my total down to just $25.70, which qualifies me to use my 5 off of 25 store coupon. So I'm going to use that coupon as well. That's going to bring me down to $20.70. And then I'm going to use my coupons for the Dove. That's going to take off 6. My coupons for the Tide will take off 4. And then my big Simply Soleil razor coupon will take off another 4, bringing my out-of-pocket total to just $6.70, I believe. We'll see how this works out. As if we can grab all of these items, these big Dove body washes, this Tide, and this barbecue sauce for $6, that's going to be a super bomb deal. So let's go up to the register and see how this works out. We're just going to do the same transaction twice. All right, so here is my cart ready to go. I have my transactions divided into 2 to keep it easier, and I have my red Tide behind my yellow Tide to remember, a little reminder to myself to have that scanned last. And then I have my paper coupons already pulled over here. We're just going to use these 3 paper coupons in each deal. Let's go. right, you guys, I love it when a plan comes together. We got our Tide, we got our Dove, we got 4 bottles of Big Dove body wash, our Dove deodorant. Y'all, we did so good, and that was just how we planned. So there's our Dove body wash, $6 for each one of those. There's our Dove deodorant, $2.25 for each one of those. There's our Tide Simply Pods. We scan that first, so that $2 digital would apply. There's our Big Simply Soul razors, $3.30, $4 digital. There's our Sweet Baby Rays, buy one get one free. And then there is our Tide liquid laundry detergent. We used a $2 paper coupon on that. We had a subtotal of $6.70 with a total savings of $25 in each transactions. We saved $50, y'all, just like that with those last 2 transactions. And we saved what, $21 in the all digital transaction. Such awesome savings today. We did so good. And a quick note, if you're using that $3 Dove paper coupon, that $3 off of 2, and the first transaction, my second $3 off of 2 did beep, which let me know that those coupons are attaching to any Dove product instead of like the deodorant or the body wash specifically. So in the second transaction, what I had her do was just scan the Dove body wash, then scan the coupon, scan the 2 deodorants, then scan the coupon, so that those would attach appropriately. And then now I need to upload my receipt into Fetch to see what type of Dove points we're gonna get back. Y'all, $6 for all of those items. I am so hype about that. So I hope these deals were helpful for you. If you did not watch my Dove video earlier in the week to learn how to sign up for Dove coupons, I will have that linked up above and below. I thank you all so much for watching. Happy Saturday, and you know I'll talk to you soon. Bye.